Welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethelene. Alright everyone, so I'm really excited about today's lesson because my friend Nien is joining us and she's going to help us understand the American English idiom laundry list. Now, what is a laundry list?
You mean a to-do list?
Yeah, a laundry list is also called a to-do list. It's basically just a long list of things to do. And sometimes it's an actual list. Someone takes a pen and paper and they write what they want done. Or it can just be just things that need to get tackled or addressed before a project is completed or an activity is finished. It's just a list of things. It's just things that need to get done, essentially. So now, Nien, have you ever had experience with a laundry list?
Yes, bad and good.
Okay, well, would you mind sharing with us?
Well, the good part is I always have laundry lists for my husband and for my boys.
Okay.
Where would I begin?
Let's talk about your husband.
Okay, alright. Well, he had a vacation of 1 week and I was so looking forward to it because I had all this laundry list for him. And as usual, when the week came, he had this, he had that for himself, and there goes the laundry list.
So
to
he
the corner.
didn't have any time to complete the laundry list.
He didn't make time.
He didn't make time, so there was nothing that was
Yes,
accomplished
that's
for that
right.
week. Okay.
You know what? Want to know what the laundry list is?
What did it include?
Yeah, we have to hand polish the floor, we have to clean the windows, and throw his rubbish away.
Oh. Okay. Now, we can also use laundry lists when we're talking about activities or projects that we want to get done around the house. And you mentioned your boys earlier?
Oh, my boys. Yes, of course, I do have a laundry list for them, but you know, I have to be really brave and I really have to have hope that they will look into the list.
So what you're saying is they come home maybe from vacation or spring break and you have all these things you want them to do, but they don't do it.
Yeah, they just want to come home and just sleep and eat mom's food and do nothing. Well, I'd really like them to polish my cars. See, that's being too brave.
Okay. All right. Well, when we talk about laundry lists, we can also talk about perhaps things that we want other people to do. Do you have any experience with that?
Yeah, I do have some friends and they always see my house and ask me how do I keep it so clean and neat. I just say I'm being a minimalist. But again, I'd like to help my friends. Unfortunately, I fail in cheerleading them because they just continue to procrastinate. It's tough.
So that laundry list of things that needs to get done is still there.
Yes.
Nothing's been checked off.
Well, 50% has been checked off. We still have 50% more to go.
Okay.
But it's helpful to have a laundry list.
And now why would you say that? Why is it helpful to have a laundry list?
I guess you look at the list and you start to realize that you need to put your foot down.
To get things accomplished,
Yes,
to get
that's
things
right.
done. Okay. Well, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below. Until next time.
Ciao!